In this video,
We will learn how to turn mark danger when targeting on and off in Fortnite. In order to toggle mark danger on targeting on or off in Fortnite, all you need to do is just head to your profile section from the top right hand side of your screen. After that, click on the gear icon. After that, you need to head to the game tab. In game tab from the left hand side, scroll down until you find the combat tab. After coming into the combat tab, in here you will find an option called mark danger when targeting. You can toggle it on or off according to your desire. So if it is on and when in a game you place a ping down in ATS mode, a danger marker will be placed instead of the default marker that appears when you ping. So after changing it to your desired setting, just click on apply and head back into the lobby. So now we are in the game, and now if I ping normally, you will see that a normal ping has appeared, but when I ping while aiming down sight, you can see that a danger ping has appeared. So this is how you can toggle mark danger when targeting on or off in Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.